We are so proud of you.
As you leave 8th grade, remember who you are, remember what you stand for, and lead by example. Congratulations, Turtle Bay, class of 2020.
I just want to say thank you to all the people at Turtle Bay for giving me something to remember over these past 9 years.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for the past 9 amazing years. I'll remember you and I'll miss you.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for always believing in me. I love you all. Stay true.
Thank you, kids, teachers, and staff of Turtle Bay School for what you have done for me for the past 3 years. I'll miss you all when I go on to 9th grade at Shasta High School. Bye, your friend Luke Osborne.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for supporting me this year. You're the best.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for giving me a good education.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for all the great memories.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for teaching me a lot of valuable life lessons and making me a better person.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for supporting us during COVID-19.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for preparing me for high school. I'll miss you all very much.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for my education.
Thank you, Turtle Bay School, for helping me.
Thank you.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for helping me achieve above and beyond, and also helping me look forward to something every morning I wake up.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for the food.
Thank you to Miss Mack and Miss Osborne for being the best teachers I could have ever asked for and making my 8th grade a good year.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for the support and encouragement that you've given me this year.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for giving me the best elementary school experience.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for encouraging me and always caring about me.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for 9 years of memories.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for preparing us for high school.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for giving me the opportunity to learn.
Well, I'm thankful that Turtle Bay has given me the opportunity to have good teachers from 5th to 8th grade.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers and friends, for always being there for me and teaching me everything I have learned this year.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for being my taste testers.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for teaching me since kindergarten.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for preparing us for high school.
Thank you for the best 8th grade year ever.
Thank you to our Turtle Bay teachers for teaching us and loving us no matter what.
Thank you, Turtle Bay and Turtle Bay teachers, for a lovely, amazing school year.
I would like to thank Turtle Bay and the people that work at the school. Before I came here, I was struggling and now I'm an honor student. I'll miss you all.
Thanks, Turtle Bay, for all these great memories. I'll miss you guys forever.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for your teaching and guidance these past 9 years. We'll miss you.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for supporting me and encouraging me to become the successful person that I am.
Thank you, Turtle Bay and Turtle Bay staff, for an amazing year. I'm very grateful for the education that you guys have provided. I hope you guys have an amazing summer.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for giving me new opportunities, and thank you, Miss Osborne and Miss Mack, for helping me graduate 8th grade.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for believing in me always.
Thank you, Miss Osborne, and thank you, Miss McElvain, for believing in me.
Thank you, Turtle Bay teachers, for a great 8th grade year and all the years before it.
Thank you, Turtle Bay, for teaching me for 9 years.
Thank you so much to all the teachers that taught me over the years. I really appreciate it, and yeah, thank you.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.